The inspiration for this project is to try to test out as many high-performance building products and technologies as possible in an affordable way. And so by going tiny, you can then spend the money you would on square footage and put it into high-performance materials and technologies. My name is Edward Louie, and I'm the owner, the builder, the designer. I wear many hats with this project. This is a DIY project. It took almost a year of on and off design, and then in February of 2020 this trailer arrived, and then the real construction started happening. We think about energy efficiency at every point along the process. Like, this is a heat pump water heater. Cooking will be done with an induction cooktop. Lights are also all DC lights. Floor has probably 8 inches of polyiso, so that's R60 in the floors. The walls are made out of a DIY recip panel. So that's about like R23, 25 continuous. The roof is also a recip panel that has about like an R45 continuous. Imported triple pane windows from Poland. U values are around 0.18 to 0.2. The solar has been installed for about like 2 or 3 weeks, and then the battery's been installed for about 1.5 weeks. And so everything's still getting dialed in and commissioned and tested. And so far it's been working really good. Not having any utility bills, and then also being a off-grid tiny house on wheels, I'm not having to disconnect from any utility in order to move it. But at the same time, being all electric, I'm not having to even go to a gas station to get propane, and then also have any of the dangers associated with having tanks of propane around and burning propane in a small space. I think really we have one generation to turn this ship around that we call Earth. And so I'm going to do everything I can to reduce my carbon footprint by building a small scale home, living in a small scale home, and then having it be carbon free and completely on renewable energy.